In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your entire social calendar with Clickup Brain. Start by opening Clickup and heading to your inbox. This gives you a clean jump-off point with your workspace visible on the left. In the Spaces area, click the plus icon to add something new. Instead of building everything from scratch, choose Use Templates. Templates save time and ensure you're starting with a proven structure, which is perfect for a repeatable social cadence. When the template window opens, select Folder first, then choose List. This tells ClickUp that you want the calendar to live as a list inside a folder, keeping campaigns and posts neatly grouped. In the search bar, type Modern Social Media Calendar. That's the ready-made framework we'll use today. Click into it to see the overview, then hit Use Template. Give your list a clear, descriptive name, like the current quarter or campaign theme, so it's easy to find later. Next, choose the location where this list should live, such as the correct space and folder for your marketing work. Picking the right home up front helps keep permissions, automations, and reporting consistent. Confirm by selecting Use Template to import everything. Once the import finishes, open your new social calendar list. Switch to the social media calendar view to see your schedule plotted on dates, then open the social media posts view for a detailed task list of upcoming content. From here, you can tap Ask to bring up ClickUp Brain. Brain is your AI assistant inside ClickUp, and it can draft ideas, captions, outlines, or task checklists based on your prompt. Type a clear instruction for what you want, like generating a week of post ideas aligned to a theme, adapting tone for each platform, or drafting first-pass captions with character targets. Avoid pasting any private or sensitive information into prompts. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Brain will produce suggestions you can drop into task descriptions or subtasks and then refine. If the result isn't quite right, tweak your prompt with more context, such as audience, goals, or call to action, and generate again. You've now built a complete social calendar framework and used Brain to kickstart content production, all inside your existing workflow. From these views, you can manage everything for your campaign and keep your pipeline moving smoothly.